Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Fadelo Cologne for men and women. This one's like, I think it's called Pheromone, perhaps. Comes in this pretty sweet little bag here. Fadelo Perfume. That's pretty cool there. And this comes with a little roll-on thing. So it's got this nice little case on there. This one is called Pheromone, so that's kind of cool there. A little case on there, like a little leather one or something like that. So this just rolls off of there. This unscrews, and it's got a little steel ball-like applicator on the bottom there. Wow, that actually smells really decent. You could put it on your neck or your wrist or wherever, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Just kind of rolls on nicely and no dripping or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm kind of sensitive to certain colognes or something. Some are like really overpowering, but this one it's got a decent smell to it. It's not like too overpowering one way or the other. It smells kind of floral, kind of flowery. Difficult to describe like what something smells like, but it's a pleasant smell. And yeah, pretty enjoyable actually. Not one that like aggressively attacks your smelling senses and overpowers you. And like I said, I'm pretty sensitive to different smells, so sometimes some of you go down to like a perfume aisle and like you just can't go down there because it's just like kind of assaulting your senses. This is actually a pleasant smell, so pretty happy with that. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.